What is the biggest investment that you can make in yourself that's not financial? That's your health, of course. No question about it. So I'm going to bring this video of a new device that's helped me. So far, so good. I've had it for about a week and it's been, working pretty good for me. It's a little bit expensive, but it's an investment. But do your own research. If this is something you think that might help you, go for it. If not, that's fine too. But here we go. What the hell is this? Wow, how beautiful is this thing? All right, so yes, my channel is a real estate mortgage channel, but everyone who owns a home should consider this device, okay? And besides being a real estate agent, loan officer, helping people buy homes, my fiance and I are both kind of health nuts. We try to be pretty healthy, try to eat vegan most of the time. In and out kind of breaks that cycle for me a lot of times. But this device is a game changer and something everyone, I believe, should have in their home. And I'm going to tell you what the hell it is. All right, guys, so this is a Somavedic device. And basically what it is, it's a little device that transmits a certain frequency that has multiple health benefits. So if you're feeling tired, if you're not sleeping well, you want to be more balanced, this is going to help you. So I'm going to tell you what the benefits of this little Somavedic device is, and then you can decide for yourself if it's something for you. So the number one thing that the Somavedic helps with is it eliminates EMFs, which are 5G, 4G, 3G, Wi-Fi. So obviously, no matter who you are, whether you're at home or at work, you're surrounded by Wi-Fi, your phone, all these electromagnetic radiation. It's basically not good for us. This, you don't see it, but these things affect your health. They affect your cells. And this device helps eliminate EMFs. Okay, so that's one of the biggest benefits of having this device, and it's so cool. I'm gonna put a picture up in a second. That's one of the benefits. Just number one, you want to cancel out all the Wi-Fi and 5G. This device can help you do that. The other really cool thing that I'm gonna put on the screen right now in a second so you guys can see is this device, what it's gonna do. If you put a jug of water next to it, what it's gonna do is it's gonna structure your water. Right? So if you put a jug of water next to it, so they did a scientific study on this. So they got tap water, normal, and they got tap water and they put it next to this device. And I'm gonna show it on the screen right here. This is what, when you're looking at the screen on the left side, before the Somavedic, this is what the water molecules look like. And then on the right, this is how the water molecules look like. So water, if you guys haven't studied or know a lot about the science of water, water is one of the strongest memories of, anything out there. So if, you're getting tap water, even if it's going through a filter, the tap water is carrying the energy that it took to get through the pipes, go through the whatever to get to your faucet. It went through a lot of stuff. And as you can see from the picture on the left, that's what water looks like when you get it out of the tap. The picture on the right is the same tap water next to a Somavedic device for, I don't know exactly how many hours. We leave our water next to it overnight and then drink it in the morning. But this is what water looks like, structured water looks like in nature. So if you water from a waterfall, good energy, natural source, this is what it looks like. So if you're putting just regular tap water, even if it's through a filter, if you're not drinking alkaline or anything like that, this is what it looks like. And you're putting this into your body, and your body's 70% water. So if you're putting that into your body and then you have the 5G and the 4G and the Wi-Fi, you don't feel good, this is probably why you don't feel good. So we just got this, by the way. We got this about a week ago. We're trying it out. So far, I feel good. My digestion's been good. I've been having good energy. I sleep through the night. Actually, right before I started using this, I was waking up at like 4 and I just couldn't go back to sleep. So I was having a little bit of trouble. It was just weird. So this device, I mean, it's pretty much solved that kind of, and this device specifically, there's different sizes. This device covers a 2,500 square foot house. So even though we have it downstairs, it goes 100 feet in all directions. 100 feet. So as long as it's within 100 feet, it's helping you out. Another picture that I'm going to put up on the screen right now. Guys, look at this. Your red blood cells. Look at the pictures that they took before and after a Somavedic device was added. Look at this, guys. Look at the red blood cells on the left and look at the red blood cells on the right. Unbelievable. Okay, so again, I'm not a scientist, but the one on the right looks a lot better than the one on the left. That's all I can really say. They have different sizes. They have a traveler size. This is kind of like the standard, like the most popular version of this device. So you can have a small one. You can put it in your car. You can put it in your office. Covers a smaller space. This covers 2,500 square feet. And then there's the higher model that covers more than that and more benefits. But anyway, this, because I'm helping people buy houses. But besides that, the reason I started this YouTube channel is I want to make the home buying process less stressful for people, right? And then after you get in your home, my work doesn't stop there. I want you to feel good and happy inside your home. And this I've been using it for a week. I feel pretty good. I sleep pretty good. I'm gonna do like a pH test on it too. So we usually get tap water, we filter it, and that's what we were drinking. So I'm gonna test that water and I'm gonna test the water after it's been next to this device for 24 hours and see what the difference is. Is it more pH? Is it more balanced? Is it more alkaline? And just kind of do our own independent research, and I'll bring that to you guys. So this is just the first video I'm making on this. Like I said, so far, so good. And I just signed up to be an affiliate. So I don't want to push this too hard because I just started using it, but I'll give you guys updates and let you guys know how well it's been working. And if you're interested, there'll be a link below. You can buy it with my link, 10% off, I think 10 or 15%. And yeah, see how it works for you guys. So stay tuned. I'll bring you guys more videos on this device. Again, like I said, so far so good. And it's beautiful. It looks good pretty much in any room that you put it in. So it looks cool too. That's nice. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on how this is working out, and see you guys next time.